Hi everyone, in this second video we're going to be pairing the HCX VMs together, and we will be deploying the Interconnect. So what we do is we go to site pairing and we click on connect to remote site. We fill in the remote HCX URL, which is hcx.sddc-that URL, and then we fill in the cloud admin username and password. So that will be cloudadmin@vmc.local with the cloud admin password that you will see me retrieve here, because I don't have that written down. So I just go into my little password manager, copy it out of there, and then paste it in. And we click connect. And what this will do, this will connect the two HCX VMs together. So, the two HCX sites together, I should say. So we can deploy interconnects and do all kinds of fun stuff with it. So now, as you can see here, it has connected, and we will move on to the next thing. Okay, so now we can deploy the interconnect. So what we're going to do is we click on interconnect, and here on-prem I've already created a compute profile, which I'm just going to walk you through. So you click on create compute profile, and then you give it a name. So in my case, main CP. Here are all the features that are enabled. As I don't have HCX Enterprise, some of the features will be disabled, but you can always request that. So here you fill in the cluster, you fill in a data store and a folder optionally. We select a network profile that we have already created, which is just IPs, what segment to put it in and such. Here we select what switches to connect, in my case my overlays on, and then when we click on continue, it will say what ports it will have, what ports that it will need that should be open. So here are the WAN connection ports that should be open, and then here are the LAN connection ports that should be open. So you will have to open those in your firewall. And then we click continue and finish, and then we just wait for it to create, and now we can click on service mesh. We can click on create service mesh, and we select what connector to what cloud. Then we click continue. We select the compute profiles, which is the one that you create and the one that is already created in the cloud. Then we can click on continue. Here we see the features again. We click continue. Here we select the uplink profile, which in case of the remote SDDC HCX is external network. Here we can choose the appliance count. Some things that are not available because we don't have HCX Enterprise. Here you can fill in a WAN uplink limit in case you want to. I'm just going to leave it as default. We click continue twice. We give it a recognizable name that everyone will understand that has to access it, and then we click on finish. And once we click on finish, it will deploy the service mesh, it will deploy some VMs, it will configure the VMs, the tunnels should come up, and all of this takes a while, so be patient. Don't be scared when you see that some tunnels are down. It will take a bit for all of the appliances to become green, which you will see in the interface once the deployment is done. So thank you for watching this second part. This was a short one. In the next part we will be stretching a network, so the network extension part of HCX, and we will be migrating a VM from on-prem to the SDDC. That is what we will do in part 3, and after that it is done for this series. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.